This is not good. Earlier when he was walking with the splint, it was going really well. As long as he lifted his leg up high, his foot landed flat on the ground. I don't know what to do. Poor guy. This Brutus is there to pick on him. Goldie in the background. Put some duct tape around a popsicle stick. Help make it waterproof, no slivers, and there was some sharp edges from where we broke it. And then use some medical tape and tied it to his leg, or strapped it there. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to examine the stint and see what we can do to help this guy out. Alright. See more of the Muscovy ducks at functionalrustic.com.